When people approach an interactive display in a public setting such as a museum, they may attempt something simple, like touching anywhere on the display, and then give up if it doesn't respond. We created two designs to improve the discoverability of menus: border menus and button menus. Border menus are activated by touching anywhere along the border that outlines the display. A menu can be invoked on any of the four edges of the display at the same time. This enables simultaneous interaction by multiple museum visitors. Button menus are activated by touching one of the four triangular buttons that protrude from each edge of the display. These buttons can again invoke separate menus at the same time to allow simultaneous interaction by multiple visitors. We also included several animation hits to help visitors recognize how to invoke the system menus. When a visitor touched somewhere other than the edge, the menu would briefly pop out, then back in to one of the edges. When a visitor touched somewhere other than the button, this same animation would appear on one of the four buttons. If a menu was left open by a visitor, it would reanimate back into the edge of the display. This allowed the system to return to its initial state after visitors left the exhibit. When inactive, samples of the table's content would also animate starting from the center of the table and move slowly toward the edges or buttons.